Project and Mr. Mohyuddin Halal to exchange the partnership memento in presence of the Honorable Chief Guest, His Excellency Mr. Rashid Khan Menon. But before that, I will request the Chief Guest to unveil between them.
I get it.
The launching of partnership. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Launching of partnership between CBT and USAID project to develop CBT-Bangladesh. Now I request Mr. Daryl Depart, the Chief of Party of USAID's CREL project, to express his views in 1 minute before the audience.
Thank you very much. I just like to thank the organizers for this today, and for the Honorable Minister to his presence here today, as well as the distinguished ambassadors. Just to give you a brief, CREL is Climate Resilient Ecosystems and Livelihood Project, and it's a USAID funded program with the Ministry of Environment and Forest and the Ministry of Fisheries and Livestock and Ministry of Land. We work with the Forest Department, Fisheries Department, Department of Environment. We're working to, as it says, climate resilient ecosystems and livelihoods. What you see today is a partnership to help livelihoods through tourism and improving markets for local, very, very disadvantaged people living around forests and wetlands in Bangladesh. And that's where this program is working with more than 500,000 people around all of the major sites that you will see in the photograph up on the wall, as well in our booth. So I encourage everyone to visit the booth, the CREL booth, and you will see a lot of very important wetlands and forests that are being protected by communities in co-management with the government. Thank you very much.
I request Mr. Mohyuddin Halal, the CEO of CBT-Bangladesh, to express his opinion within 1 minute.
On behalf of Community-Based Tourism Bangladesh, today I would like to announce that CBT Bangladesh officially partnering with USAID's Climate Resilient Ecosystem and Livelihood CREL projects to promote nature and community-based tourism and conservation initiatives. Through this MOU, we also like to support co-management organizations that are working for conservation of natural resource of Bangladesh. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mohyuddin.